Here I've got Neffos C5 Plus, and let me show you how to activate Power Saver on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then scroll down, find and select battery. Here it is. And now, simply by tapping on this switcher right next to Power Saver, you can activate power saving mode on your device. As you can see, now it's active, and then you can switch it off the same way. If you would like to access some more functions regarding battery saving, simply click over here on battery saver. And now you can set some rule, which is turn on automatically. Simply click on it and decide if you would like your low power solution to activate once your device is at 5% battery or 15. I will pick 5. And from now on, every time the battery is slower than 5%, battery saving mode will be automatically activated, which will definitely improve battery and device's life. And also you can have a quick access to the battery saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and click on battery saver icon. That's it. As you can see, now you're in low power solution, and then you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping. So that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device in your Neffos C5 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.